You can call me whatever you want.
Sir.
Why are you calling me sir anyway? You said we'll choose a name for you, and now you chose such a boring name, sir. Call me something fun. Bro is cool. Bro is cool. Okay, call me bro then.
We are Gen Zs. I'll give you a few words, sir. You need to tell me the meaning of
Now I'm
that
in
Gen
trouble.
Z slang. Okay, like
Now I'm in trouble.
Yes. Cap.
Cap.
Yes.
Just not being straight.
Line.
Yeah, not being straight.
Line. Yeah.
I'm okay. Somebody who's you're really close to. Close one.
It is.
What?
Riz.
You have a lot of
Riz.
Energy.
Riz is short for charisma.
Charisma.
Energy.
Charisma. Yeah.
Words.
Abstract art. So guys, this is the official U18 Rahul line which will be launching. Please buy immediately.
I think all of you guys should join politics. I think you guys need to change things. Generations above you have been slow, and we need you guys to get in that.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Wonderful talking to you, sir.
Nice talking to you. What's this?